Time in the broadcast to take some time answering a few of your specific questions about finances and retirement planning. Barry, we always get some great questions from our viewers. And are you ready for this next round?
We do, and I enjoy answering them. Let's do it.
Okay, let's check in with Elaine in Monette. And her question is, I'm less than a year away from retiring. I have retirement accounts, and I've been working with a broker for years. I guess I've never considered how taxes will affect me. Once I start taking my withdrawals, how will I be taxed?
Well, thank you, Elaine, for your question. And say hello to my sister-in-law, Amy Box, who's your prosecuting attorney down there in Barry County.
A little legal shout out there.
They're just a shout out to sis-in-law Amy. So now to answer the question, if you aren't careful, the taxes on your investment account can leave you broker. And that is often the case if you're working with a stock broker or an investment representative. You want to pay some attention to the titles they use, because those people typically don't know about taxation and cannot give you tax advice and won't give you tax advice because they don't know. So I'm really glad you asked this question. Our retirement planning firm is called the Wealth Care Corporation, and it's a little different. We do provide tax advice to our clients. In fact, we represent people before the IRS. We've got tax return preparation specialists in our firm who are in the tax compliance business, and our CPA used to work for the IRS. So you're in the right place, and he knows the dirty secrets, and he knows when you need to be afraid and when you don't need to be afraid, and he'll tell you most of the time, if you've told the truth on your tax return, there's absolutely no reason to be afraid. So, Elaine, you're going to have to pay taxes on all the money that you take out of your retirement account, along with taxes on your pensions and any other guaranteed source of income. And depending on how much income you have, you may even have to pay taxes on Social Security. Now, if you and your husband, assuming you're married, make more than about $32,000, that's where you begin paying taxes on Social Security. And don't forget, you have to pay taxes to ugly Aunt Irma. That's what your Medicare tax is called. Income-related monthly adjustment amount. IRMA. It's government speak. How could you name something like that? Some people have to pay more than $13,000 a year just for their Medicare alone, and then they buy a Medicare supplement on top of that. So the good news, Elaine, is that there is still time for you to begin curtailing some of those taxes. But you need to act now. You need to rearrange your retirement to be as tax efficient as possible, maybe even tax-free if you're lucky.